This number is over 20 trillion. No calculator in an exam hall, so finding its remainder looks impossible, but with TCA's help, it isn't. There's a pairing trick that makes almost the whole thing disappear, and once you see it, you'll never fear a remainder question like this again. Now, let me show you how TCA makes things easier. The question is to find the remainder when 16 factorial is divided by 17. Here's the trap. The obvious move is to multiply all 16 numbers, then divide by 17. That's a number with 13 digits, and you'll never finish it by hand. The trick is to take the remainder first at every step, so the numbers never get big. Watch what happens when we do. First, pair the numbers so each pair multiplies to just over a multiple of 17. 2 times 9 is 18, 1 more than 17, so it leaves a remainder of 1. A pair worth 1 might as well not be there. Now, can you try to find enough of these pairs? Then, you'll see that almost everything cancels. Let me show you how it's done. The numbers below is where we'll track which numbers are already used. Since we've already used 2 and 9, let's cancel them out. Next is 3 times 6 equals 18. Then 5 times 7 equals 35. Then 4 times 13 equals 52. Then 8 times 15 equals 120. Next, 10 times 12 equals 120. Lastly, 11 times 14 equals 154. Every number from 2 to 15 has now canceled to 1. Only 2 numbers are left standing, and they decide the whole answer. That being said, can you see what's left in the numbers below? After all the pairs vanish, only 2 numbers are left, the 16 at the start and the 1 at the end. 1 times anything is just itself, so it's all down to 16. Let's pause for a second here. 16 factorial divided by 17. What's the remainder? Drop your answer in the comments before we show you. What's left is 1 and 16 is 1 less than 17. So dividing by 17, 16 is the remainder. So the final answer is 16 mod 17. Spotting when a remainder question is hiding a pairing trick, even under exam pressure, with the clock running, is the real skill, and it's where most marks are won or lost. That's exactly what we coach, step by step. Tap the WhatsApp link below for a free 1-hour trial. Bring your trickiest question, and we'll crack it together.